In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage reminder settings in Hubstaff. If you want to stay on top of important updates in Hubstaff, adjusting your reminder settings is a quick and useful thing to do. These reminders can help you keep track of activity and make sure you're only receiving the notifications that matter most to you. I'll walk you through exactly where to find these settings and how to turn reminders on based on your preferences. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hubstaff account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This area gives you access to your personal account options and settings. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled User Settings and Billing. Click on that to continue. This will take you into the section where you can manage account-related preferences, including the notification options connected to your profile. If you ever need to update personal settings in Hubstaff, this is a useful place to remember. Once you're inside the settings area, find and click on the Notifications tab. This is where Hubstaff groups together the different alerts and reminders available for your account. Opening this tab will show you the controls you need to customize what you want to receive. Now you'll be able to review the available reminder settings. To enable the reminders you want, simply toggle them on. As you go through the list, choose the ones that are most relevant for your workflow. This lets you personalize Hubstaff so it supports you without sending unnecessary alerts. If a reminder is useful, turn it on. If it's something you don't need right now, you can leave it off. As a general tip, it's a good idea to check these notification settings from time to time, especially if your role changes or if you start using Hubstaff differently. Keeping your reminders updated can make your experience smoother and help you avoid missing important prompts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage reminder settings in Hubstaff. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how you stay informed and organized while using the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.